In this video we will discuss about the different blood types and what are the different possibility of blood transfusion, that is which group can accept the blood from which body. So let us start with the group A. So what is actually how these blood types are defined? Blood types are defined based on the carbohydrates that are present on the red blood cell. So in this case of group A, we can see that uh, A antigen is present on the red blood cell of group A containing human beings. So what happens is that in this case is that the enzyme that can produce B antigen is absent in group A, and the human body has the anti-B enzyme, that is antibodies that are present in that group A person against B. So whenever a blood that contains group B is transfused to group A person, it will not be accepted by the body because of the anti-B antibodies present in the group A patient. However, from group AB, uh, and first let us understand what are different groups types. So in group B, we can see that in the red blood cells, the carbohydrates that are present are FB antigen, and uh, similar to the case of group A, in group B human beings contains antibodies against anti-A because A antigen is not present in the body, so it will develop the characteristics that anything that comes from the foreign, it will consider antigen A as something harmful or foreign and prevent it to get infused or get mixed with the group B patient's blood. And how so in this case the actual problem or the actual reason is that the enzyme that produce B antigen is absent in case of group B, and in case of group AB, since both the antigen, that is A and B antigen, are present, it does not develop any antibodies as it considers both the antigen as the part of the body. And in case of group O does not have any kind of carbohydrates that are present on red blood cells. So because of this, it develops antibodies against both antigen A and antigen B, and considered this as a foreign thing that is harmful to the patient. Immune system of group O patient considers that anything with antigen A and antigen B is been considered as harmful or foreign, and try to prevent it to get mixed with the group O blood. So now we will discuss which groups can donate blood to which group. This group A, since group A can donate the blood to those human beings that does not have anti-A antigen, and we can see that only group A can donate. Only condition or only possibilities are that group A can donate to another group A patient since they do not have anti-A antigen again antibodies against A antigen, and they can also donate to group AB since group AB also does not have antibodies against A antigen. And in case of group B can donate to those human beings that does not have antibodies against B antigen, so it can donate to group B, and it can donate to group AB also. And group AB, since it does not have since it has it has both the antigen, that is A antigen and B antigen. It can donate the blood only to human beings that has group AB. It cannot donate to group A or group B because they have antigens. No, no, sorry, I would like to correct one thing, that yeah, group AB cannot donate the blood to anyone except the group AB. I am correct. I am right. And now, and now the last, that is group O. Since group O does not have any antigen present, it can donate the blood to all the human beings that have either group A, group B, group AB, and group O. However, group O can only take the antibodies, or no, so not antibodies, blood from the human beings that have group O, because it has antibodies against both A antigen and B antigen. So that is the reason we heard that group O can donate the blood to everyone, but it can take the blood only from another group O person. So that's all for group B, group AB. I will quickly revise for group AB, as we had some confusion. That group AB can donate the blood only to a person that has group AB blood group, because it has both the antigen, A antigen and B antigen. It needs to donate the blood to a person that does not have antibodies against both the antigen, and that is uh, possible only in case of group AB. That's all for this video. Thank you for your time.